Traditional search volume is dropping. We are seeing a 25% decline in standard queries as users move away from traditional search engines to find information. For decades, the internet operated like a massive library. You asked a question, and the search engine acted as a librarian, handing you a stack of books or a list of blue links, and leaving you to find the answer within the pages. AI search models function as research assistants. They open the books, scan the content, and write an answer directly on the results page. This exact shift defines the zero-click era. When users find their answers without visiting a website, business models built on traffic volume see their primary audience begin to shrink. To see why this happens, we have to follow an AI agent the moment it receives a user prompt. Traditional keyword indexing simply doesn't help here. The agent isn't looking for a list of matching words, it's looking for raw, extractable context. This agent uses retrieval-augmented generation. It reads the web, reasons through context, and extracts specific facts. But standard pages aren't built for agents. 80% of the code is visual bloat, menus, scripts, and ads that hide core text. Parsing that clutter exhausts the AI's token limit, its processing capacity. The agent gets bogged down in the scripts, loses the thread of the information, and eventually abandons the site. If an AI agent cannot parse a site's code, that brand loses its citation. In an AI-driven search result, the unreadable site is effectively invisible. Sites are responding by translating their content into the native language of these agents. They are stripping away the visual storefront to provide a machine-readable warehouse of data. Today, developers are creating .md twin routes. These are clean, markdown versions of every page on a site, hosted at the same URL but stripped of all visual elements. This allows for HTTP content negotiation. When an AI agent requests a page, the server detects the bot and automatically hands it the markdown version instead of the HTML page meant for humans. For systems that don't use headers, sites are embedding hidden div tags on visual pages. These act as signposts that quietly redirect AI bots to the clean text versions. Creating these clean data paths is the only way to ensure legacy content remains visible to autonomous agents. Even with clean text, large language models require explicit labeling to verify a fact. Without it, they are simply making statistical guesses. Schema Markup, specifically JSON-LD tags like FAQ page and organization, provides that proof. It wraps raw text in machine-readable labels that the AI can verify. This graph shows the impact. When content uses structured data, AI citation accuracy increases by 300%. The most effective unit for this is the citation block, a concise FAQ answer of 40 to 60 words, designed specifically for an LLM to extract and reuse. This technical labeling transforms a site from a passive page into an authoritative data source for the AI's response engine. This isn't just about fixing old sites. It changes how new content is designed from the ground up. The old model of building broad, general-purpose pages is being replaced by granular, audience-specific use case pages. Success in content creation now requires prioritizing ease of machine extraction over the visual preferences of human readers. Today, the internet is becoming a dual-layer architecture. We are seeing two distinct environments occupying the exact same space. The top layer is the visual web. It is designed for human eyes, browsers, and traditional engagement. Beneath it is the semantic web, a foundation built for machine parsing and data retrieval. Optimizing for AI is a return to foundational web hygiene, ensuring that information is accessible to the systems that now curate it. By 2026, AI is evolving from a tool that synthesizes information to Agentic AI, systems capable of taking autonomous action. These agents will compare structured data across multiple vendor sites to make autonomous purchasing decisions for their users. These transactions will occur without the user ever visiting the vendor's visual website. Because a brand's content isn't structured for an agent to read, that brand will be bypassed by the systems managing the next wave of digital commerce.